Hello students, welcome back to the online English class of ninth standard. In this video, we are going to understand second part of our degree of comparison in this topic. So in this video, I am going to give you the answers of previous exercise. Now understand what were the answers. Marathi is easier than English. Its answer is English is not as easy as Marathi. Second one, prevention is better than cure. Is prevention is better than cure. Cure is not as good as prevention. Running is not as good as swimming. Swimming is better than running. Suresh is as brave as Ramesh. Ramesh is not braver than Suresh. Yamunotri is not as attractive as Gangotri. Gangotri is more attractive than Yamunotri. This is how these answers were. Now let us understand type 2 means here superlative degree will be there and a different type superlative degree will be there that we have to understand means superlative degree out of all people comparison with all other people. This we are going to understand. Himmat Singh is the oldest teacher means a school is there or a institute, an institute is there. Out of that, Himmat Singh is the oldest teacher, we are telling. Here it is not given that adverbial phrase in this school, in this country, in this city, in this institute. This adverbial phrase is not given, but we consider that comparison with all other teachers. So here, if superlative sentence is like this, so its comparative sentence will be like this: Himmat Singh is older than any other teacher. Here adverbial phrase is not given, so that we have not taken at last. No other teacher is as old as Himmat Singh. So this is how positive sentence will be there. So how to make this, that we are going to understand here. If the sentence is given to you, such type of sentence is there, no other. See what is important here. The plus adjective superlative degree. The plus adjective superlative degree in superlative sentence. Second one, than er form, er form of the adjective and then after it in the comparative degree. Thereafter no other plus as form in the positive degree. These three things you have to fit into your mind. Whenever this thing comes, that means this type 2, if a sentence comes to you like this, its comparative and superlative will be asked to you, convert into comparative and superlative. So this way you have to do it using the plus the superlative form of the adjective. Thereafter in comparative er plus than. Now let us understand this carefully. Superlative to comparative and positive degree structures. If you understood this, you can convert any sentence into any degree of this type. If the given sentence structure is superlative sentence structure, we are seeing subject plus helping verb plus the plus adjective with est or most. See what happens here. If adjective is having single or double syllables, syllables means the sounds of vowels, so that time we apply them est directly, such as old, older, oldest. Old, only one syllable is there, this is why we applied est here. This is a more deep topic, so you learn whichever adjectives I have given you, you will get the idea from that. If a big long adjective is there, interested, so if long adjective is there, we apply most. If short adjective is there, we apply directly est form, such as oldest. So this form will come. Thereafter adverbial phrase at last. Example, she, subject is helping verb or main verb you can call. Thereafter the, thereafter cleverest adjective. Thereafter girl, cleverest girl. This noun will come after that. Thereafter, in the class. In the class. Here I write that noun also. Noun. So that you will not confuse it. Such a noun will come after this superlative degree adjective, and thereafter the adverbial phrase in the class. When such sentences are converted into comparative degree, following changes will be made. This you have to remember. Structure you have to write. Changes you have to write. The is removed from the sentence. Before the adjective instead of est, er will be affixed, or instead of most, more will be written before it. Means we are changing the adjective from superlative form to the comparative form. Thereafter, after the adjective, write than any other and complete the remaining sentence. What you have to write here? Than any other. Than any other. This is more important. So see here, you can see the sentence are older than any other. This any other also I do here bold and underline. This is the most important part of this type of comparative sentences. So after that, and complete the remaining sentence. Now complete the remaining sentence means the noun, thereafter the adverbial phrase. Comparative degree sentence: subject plus helping verb plus adjective with er or more plus than any other plus noun will come here plus adverbial phrase. She is cleverer than any other girl in the class. You can see like this structure has become. She is cleverer than any other girl in the class. Now when such sentences are converted into positive degree, this we have seen comparative degree. If sentence is like this: she is the cleverest girl in the class. Cleverest girl in the class means no other girl is as clever as she is. So here its comparative degree will be she is cleverer than any other girl in the class. We are comparing her with any other girl in the class. After this, we are going to understand uh, the next part. When such sentences are converted into positive degree, following changes will be made. Positive degree. Now you know what is a positive degree. The first form of degrees: begin the sentence with no other. This is compulsory. Begin the sentence with no other. The or than any other which is present in the sentence will be removed. The or than any other, when if the means what? Superlative degree sentence is given to you and they will tell you to convert it into positive. Or comparative degree sentence, than any other comes in comparative degree sentence will be given to you and they will ask you to convert into positive degree. Or uh, sometimes they will give you in comparative degree form or superlative degree form, and they will tell you convert into remaining 2 degrees. Now that we have to remove. Then in case of superlative to positive, after no other, the part which is coming after the adjective will be written. Means what? Let us see. In case of superlative to positive, see here superlative degree. She is cleverest girl, the cleverest girl in the class. This is superlative. When we convert superlative to positive, after no other, we are writing this part. No other girl in the class. No other girl in the class. So what they are telling here, after no other, the part which is coming after the adjective will be written. Here which part is coming after the adjective? This is adjective, girl in the class. So the same thing is coming after no other, girl in the class. Okay. Now that will be written thereafter. In case of comparative to positive, after no other, the part coming after other, that is adverbial phrase, will be written here after other. In case of comparative to positive, let us understand, she is cleverer than any other. After this other, any other, after any other, the part girl in the class, the same we are writing here, girl in the class. Thereafter the structure, after adverbial phrase helping verb will be used, and thereafter adjective is used in as. See here, as between as adjective in the positive degree form we are using. The sentence is completed by using the subject at last. Subject will be used as last, and here at last, after this subject you can use the helping verb also, this helping verb, or you can drop it also. Most of the times it is not used, dropped. No other girl in the class is as clever as she is. But after this as, you have to use the subjective form of the pronouns or nouns, not objective form, such as clever as her. That will be wrong. So this is correct, as clever as she. And this is how the sentence will be converted, and structure will become no other positive degree structure, no other plus adverbial phrase, no other plus noun, no other girl in the class plus helping verb plus as an adjective first form plus the subject which was given in the superlative or comparative sentence. This is how structure will become, and sentences will be converted like this: she is the cleverest girl in the class. He is cleverer than any other girl in the class. No other girl in the class is as clever as she. So here comparison of single person with all other. Comparison of single person with all other. This you have to fit into the mind. When comparison is there between single person and all other, that time we use the plus est form of the adjective in superlative degree. In comparative we use than any other, and in positive degree we use no other. These things you have to remember. Now I am giving you the exercise. In the next video we will understand third type of degree. Aditi is the most popular dancer in India. These are the sentences to you. Pause the video and copy them. Convert them into positive and comparative degree as given in the sentence. Pause them and copy here. Comparative degree sentence is given. You have to convert into positive as well as superlative. Thereafter sixth also comparative is given. Convert into positive and superlative also. Seventh one positive is given. Convert into comparative and superlative. This is how 8, 9, 10. These you have to convert. If you have any doubts, you can ask anytime. Take care. Thank you so much.